to another Bulan Night celebration na talaga namang pampaganda ng life at pampag-good vibes. I'm your host for tonight. My name is Arvin Kerry Hirano de la Rosa at wala pa po ang ating official co-host partner dahil siya po ay nandoon ngayon sa San Vicente Elementary School as the guest speaker si Mr. Jopit Vincent Medalla. But of course, on behalf of Mr. Jopit Vincent Medalla, makakasama po natin ang Sorsogon State University Bulan Campus Student President and Board of Trustees member, Mr. Erwin Formento, right after the JRSP induction ceremony doon po sa Satang Pavilion Hall. Sa muli, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and we are all gathered here for the annual celebration of Baragatan 2024, where we rekindle ties and revitalize partnerships. Kaya naman tabi niyan, we would like to extend our warmest appreciation and grateful gratitude sa Federation of Alumni Association of Bulan, of course headed by our very own president for 6 years. Since 2019 hanggang niyan na 2024. Palakpakan naman po natin our President Maria Victoria Muray Ballesteros and of course the rest of the FAAB alumni officers. Siyempre na marami ako nakita mga kasama po natin the different alumni associations of Bulan